No ready. Alright. Are you your channel now, babe?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Finally!
And I'm here with
Girl, them something. Blade, razor. Hey, yeah, is it?
and today we're doing the challenge.
How well do you know
How
me?
well do you know me? So yeah.
We have 25 questions, and if you're coming from my channel, 25 questions I have to answer. We have to get it right, people. Razor gang.
Stop looking at my questions. So I'm gonna start it off simple. What is my favorite color?
Jesus Christ. They'll tell something a long time something.
What?
Any shade of brown. I remember what that, any shade of brown. I remember what we call
My
it.
favorite shade. But what is my favorite color?
Purple.
Good. What word do I use the most?
Babe. Babe. All me I talk to your man already and I say, babe, I make mistakes, so babe. You don't know which
What
one.
is my favorite brand to wear?
Burberry?
No.
That's a one-off though.
No.
Favorite brand? Polo.
Yes.
Polo.
What is my favorite color lipstick to wear?
Red. And that me see over there so holy. So.
Wrong.
What?
Light pink.
Me Jesus. Me can't tell the difference between red and light. You have to give me that point. The red and light pink, me don't know.
No, light pink or
Me
light
don't know.
pink.
She cheated.
What do I like to wear the most? Shorts, skirt, or pants?
Pants.
Wrong. They didn't know me?
Let me tell you why I say pants. Because I see in a pants most time.
No, I like skirt.
Okay.
Where's my favorite place to be?
Home.
Good. Who is my favorite artist?
Jesus Christ. Me no know. Hold on.
Male and female.
Me have to get this one, you know. Male and female. Cartel. Male. Female.
Yeah.
Female. Me will get this wrong. Jada Kingdom.
No. What the hell?
Oh,
Tanya.
Stevens.
Yeah.
No, would get it right. So me get over half point for that. Yeah, me get a 0.5.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Alright. Points going up.
What age did I lose
Yeah.
my...
V.
Yeah.
You lose every 16.
No.
15.
No.
Alright, oh. You know? Okay. Okay.
What is my biggest fear?
Not me have to put it in a nutshell. Like basically, your biggest fear is like, it's like not getting if you can do what you did, like fulfill the plans and where you set out.
Yeah. What makes me emotional the most? Emotional to the point where me even cry or stuff like that.
Family.
Wrong.
That you can't like you can't just that me with like in a which area to you just wrong me so. Alright. Wrong what then?
Like this is somebody hungry.
Oh yeah, would you get that right too. Good one.
What do I pray to God for the most? Like whenever you hear me a prayer or whenever like me a thank him, what you always hear me say? What do I say the most? What me ask for the most?
For your family and everybody you love, alright.
Wrong. Health and strength.
And daily food. Yo!
But yeah,
you
me
gonna lose
ask
that
that.
challenge there,
Who is my best friend?
Me,
Other than you.
Rochelle.
And Odin.
You said best friend, so
Z.
no, it's not in the panic. Me could have said Odin too, but me never remember Odin at the time.
Okay.
So me remember me right.
What do I love to eat the most other than KFC?
Liver.
Good. What kind of liver?
Chicken liver.
Good.
So I'm gonna get 2 right. That's all.
No. What annoys me the most?
When somebody tell lie upon you. I see you so weird when some people tell you so lie upon you enough time. So
Yeah.
maybe that you look way out of yourself anytime somebody tell wicked lie
Yeah,
upon you.
true.
So
Which one of my breast is bigger, left or
yo,
right?
me I listen with my left.
You look.
Me honestly don't remember. So I left me I say.
And I left.
Mm-hmm. She have a big left
What
breast.
turns me on the most?
If me blow over your neck and him is sitting there. Like
No.
my breath. Ain't there my breath go
Wait,
to the ears like that.
if you
Like-
say it, did I get it right?
Like if
Say the one but smell.
if like for example like me I smell you up and like my ear out of my nose I blow up on you.
Yes.
Yeah, my nose say that you love me nose
Yep.
ear. That weird still more. But
Yeah, that weird, but that's my favorite.
Alright.
How do you know when I'm annoyed?
You start chat whole heap. And I like me with us Bill. You start chat hey she start chat whole heap and she start like lay it out by the table.
Good.
Yeah.
How do you know when I'm happy?
You do this and you make that look funny side. I start smiling, you hug me up and kiss me up on 50 times. And you start look to your picture and you start just start reminisce. You just start you big see it. You more evident than me.
How do you know when I'm lying?
When you are tell lie, first thing for me I tell lie, you can't look in my eye first thing. And if you are tell lie, if you are like you say babe, you take up that and me one day. No babe, I me. Me I tell you, I me. You know what me babe. Are you? Yeah, and that's how me know she lie. Like it easy to tell. Run it.
No, I sound like that.
That's how you sound.
How do you know when I'm hungry?
Yo, your face long like so. Yo, like literally. Mm-hmm.
How do I deal with negativity?
Well, me can tell a way. Like, yo, will come to me and talk to me about it. Me, like getting it off your chest. Like that is a way you deal with it. You talk to me. Like you talk to somebody or you talk to me. I mean a reason we just say love it. And it normally work that way then. Like you talk it out.
Wrong.
You avoid it, babe.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
by doing what? How do I avoid it?
I don't know.
Sleep.
Oh. Nice.
Just like how you play ball.
Okay.
How do you know when I'm sleeping?
You? And then, as me shift in my bed. I say, no wrong with you. That's how you all the
Wow.
while.
True. What year did I graduate from there? From high school.
From high school.
Yeah.
2014.
Good.
Lucky thing can do maths fast. Before you all I add 4 for 2010.
Whenever I'm using perfume, cologne at that because I cologne use. Where do I put it?
Back of your ears.
And
So me don't remember where you put it on your hand or something. Me don't remember you
no, be specific.
You put it
Behind my
the
ears and-
that's all.
Wrong.
Babe,
Right here.
me just say on your knee.
Where's the name? Your radial?
Your wrist. Your wrist. Everybody know about radial. 0.5 we get for that then.
Yeah, correct. That's about it.
That's 25 questions?
Yes.
Alright, so when you can't see the points I get for it, I probably lose the challenge. But when you can't be the judge of that, you see. Wait, I know if you talk on my channel. Yeah. So tell your fans if you subscribe and they know so you go post after you know that they can't stop bothering me.
So, like, share, subscribe, and I'm back finally. Bye.